me show you the old brake pads. As you can see, it is fully used and abused. Loosen the bolt before lifting the vehicle. Next, we will remove those 14mm bolt from the caliper and find the support to rest the caliper on. The 14mm bolt. Caliper slowly, and there we go. Two bolts which are 15mm. Oh wow. Yes. Oh. Yes. Yeah, this piece right here needs to be put back in the same position. Then I'm gonna remove the rotor. Oh, there you go. Let me show you the old brake pads. As you can see, it is fully used and abused, and this is the new one, so you can clearly see the difference. Showing you the old and new so that you can compare. You know, you can see the thickness. Yep. Before we put it back, we just have to remove this one. It's out. Gentle at the same time. There we go. Let me check some. There you go. That's it. Then we put the other pads. There we go. Push this piston, I guess you can call it that way, back so that the bigger pads can fit in. Before we do that, we open the brake reservoir. So after you push the piston back inside, it will look like this. Look at the old and the new. Yeah. Yes. Compare the thicknesses. Old and new. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. To give it room to fit in. There you go. This is enough. It's in. Perfect. The 14mm one. You see, I forgot to put this piece before screwing the bolt. Push pad, and they should fit. Yes, they do. Push this one. Does it fit? Yes, it does. Does it? And yes, it's moving. Putting the tire back. The push against it as we tighten the bolt to make sure that there is no gap. Particularly since the rotor is loose and only relying on those bolts to be tight to the brake system. Tight.